Every day it's nice out. My bird screams to go outside. Likes to hang out with my metal art bird and be right by one of the bird feeders so I can chat with and sing with other birds. Right, goofball. You're happy now. Well, I just hung her up here. Now she's looking around. Most of the time I hang her on one of these pitchfork things I welded on here. She likes it there too. It ain't really that warm out today. It's about 70 degrees. But she does like it out there. She stopped screaming anyways. When she starts screaming, that's when I know it's time to take her outside. Anyway, let's check the pool out. Looks pretty clean. Yeah, can hardly even tell there's water in there. It's so clear. Alrighty then, folks. Bye-bye.